1 dog, 2 people, 3 meals, 4 seasonings. Today we are making shiitake mushrooms with bok choy. Let's get cooking fast. All ingredients are ready. This is a simple and tasty home-style dish. Blanch shiitake mushrooms in boiling water first to remove bitter taste and impurities. Wait 1 minute. While waiting, have a glass of iced orange juice. Take out the blanched mushrooms and dry well. A little reminder: never touch the hot pan. It will burn your hands. Heat the pan and add oil. Check my old videos for non-stick tips and soybean oil usage. Add the meat slices. Leave them untouched to sear one side first. Stir only when oil turns clear. I use pork here. I'll replace it with beef as you like. Wait longer for crispy golden meat, or move on early if you prefer tender texture. Add the green onions and ginger. Stir fry until fragrant. Add soy sauce until fragrant. Add shiitake mushrooms and stir well. Use high heat all the time. Fry off all moisture. Add bok choy and carrot slices. I like crisp texture, so stir fry briefly over high heat. Season with salt and 30 spice powder. Simple seasonings bring out great flavor. Stir well. Add thin starch syrup. It helps the sauce cook every ingredient perfectly. Finish with a little MSG to enhance flavor. Stir well is ready to serve. Simple home meal. Follow for easy Chinese recipes.